Welcome to Shutter and Speed, Mastering the Art of Motion Photography. We will learn how to control time in your photographs. The core challenge for photographers is that life moves fast. We must decide whether to freeze a quick moment or show the passage of time. You have two essential tools for capturing movement: burst mode for freezing high-speed action, and long exposure for blurring artistic motion. Burst mode freezes time by continuously shooting. The camera takes multiple frames per second while you hold the shutter button down, capturing a sequence of action. The mathematical advantage of burst mode is the probability cascade. Instead of predicting the exact moment, you record the entire window of movement, increasing your chances of a perfect frame. Use burst mode for unpredictable subjects like sports, wildlife, and group photos, or for candid portraits. This helps capture the best moment when action is fast or unpredictable. Selecting the best photo is the real skill. Look for the hero frame based on peak action, eye contact, and clean composition. Then, delete the rest. Long exposure stretches time, creating calm and ethereal beauty. It transforms moving elements into soft, blurred lines, such as in this waterfall image. This is the science of silk. Fast shutters freeze objects, like a water splash. Slow shutters keep the lens open for seconds, turning moving objects into a soft blur, while stationary objects remain sharp. Long exposures demand perfect stability. Essential gear includes a tripod and a 2-second timer to avoid any camera shake that could ruin the photo. Long exposure is excellent for urban light trails. Moving cars disappear, but their headlights leave behind beautiful ribbons of light. Practice finding the peak of action. Set the stage, ask a friend to walk, hold the burst mode button, and then find the single frame where both feet leave the ground. This time, Continuum Matrix compares burst mode and long exposure. Burst mode uses very fast shutter speeds for sharp detail, while long exposure uses very slow shutter speeds, requiring a tripod for blurred motion. You now have creative control over time. You know when to freeze time with burst mode and when to let it flow with long exposure. You can capture life at any speed.